Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll need an Android phone and a Chromium-based browser that supports extensions, like Kiwi. Once installed, open the browser and update it to the latest release, then sign into your Google account. Next, enable Desktop Site for the Browser tab so the Chrome Web Store displays normally. Once done, navigate to the Chrome Web Store, search the extension name, and prepare to add it. The store's desktop view lets you click Add to Chrome, which starts the mobile install process. After you click Add to Chrome, confirm the extension permissions. This step matters because mobile browsers still enforce the same access rules as desktop. Once installed, open the browser menu and choose Extensions to see the new item. From there, tap Options or Details to configure site access and background activity. Make sure to toggle the extension on, set it to work on desired sites, and pin it to your toolbar if the browser supports icons. These settings control when and how the extension runs. Test the extension by visiting a site it targets and confirm the features are active. Sometimes you must reload the page or restart the browser. If behavior is wrong, disable other extensions one at a time to spot conflicts, and revisit extension options to reset preferences. If the install fails or an extension won't run, clear cache and cookies, enable Desktop Site again, or try the other Chromium-based browser. Some extensions simply aren't compatible with mobile. One quick troubleshooting tip: force quit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.